Welcome back to Gino's Creative Cooking. If you are new here, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make white cornmeal buttermilk muffins. Yes, I'm using cornmeal, maize meal, and a bit of flour. And these are made with buttermilk. And after watching this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so when I post, you do not miss out in this goodie. Yes, get those blueberry and comment after watching this video and share. Let's get into it now. I will be listing most of the ingredients in the description box. If you down below, you'll see all the ingredients. We got flour, cornmeal, blueberries, some sugar, some vegetable oil, buttermilk, baking powder. I'm going to start by beating the eggs and then I'm adding buttermilk, stirring and starting with all the liquids. I'm going to add some lemon juice. I use fresh lemon. Fresh lemon is just great. And I'm going to add oil. So add some flour, some sugar there, 1 cup of sugar. Add some cornmeal. This is white cornmeal, maize meal. I'm going to add 2 teaspoons baking powder. I do like using baking powder only. Some people like using baking soda, but if you want to use that, you can go ahead and use that. The last thing I'm going to put after making sure everything is nice and smooth, no lumps. I will be adding some blueberries. This is about half cup blueberries. Some people like frozen blueberries, but I prefer the fresh ones. So after folding in the blueberries, there you go. Then get your pan, oil it up, and then I'm going to pour the mixture. Make sure you pour it halfway. That way, when you raise, it will still have some space up there to raise up. Make sure your oven is heated at 400 degrees and we're gonna bake them for 20 to 25 minutes until they are nice and golden brown. As you can see, let them cook fast, get them out of the pan and enjoy. Mmm, delicious. Thanks for watching.